if I scanned the tire without Kong, okay, and Kong wasn't there, do you think the computer will be able to tell where the front of the tire is and how big the tire is?
I mean, if you're scanning above the tire, why couldn't it?
Because it's round, and how does it know that that's not the same pattern? It's the same pattern going by every inch and a half. So how does it know it's not 13 feet around? You know what I mean? It's just seeing the same thing go by and go by and go by. So there is no front. There is no front to a round tire. So you put Kong in there, and all of a sudden, the scanner has a front. It's Kong's face. It can see that there's a front.
Interesting.
It's a super easy answer.
Because otherwise, what? You'd have to put all the little marker stickers all over the tire.
Can you imagine? Yeah. And there, right on Kong's face for the stars. Love it.
Man,
actually,
you're just a natural at this, honestly.
You can see the scan is doing better. It's staying flat. Last time it wasn't.
I envy how still you are.
I don't drink coffee. Do you drink coffee?
Yes.
Oh, see, I don't know if that's it.
Coffee drinkers, be careful.
I don't know if that's it, really, because I have other bad habits like chocolate. I mean, I eat enough chocolate. I shouldn't be able to stand still, ever. I'm going to go down a little here and just get more of the tire now. So isn't that neat, though?
It's cool.
Like Kong is the face of our tire, just for scanning purposes. I think and it came from a user. It wasn't all these R&D guys and all the research they do here, and the users come up with so many shortcuts and good ideas.
So really, ultimately, you could take anything that's the same color and stick it in the middle of the tire.
Yeah.
Like obviously if you don't have Kong at your house.
I'm trying to think of other things that would have the same problem. It can't be just tires. It would be anything else that's.
But if you, for instance, if you're scanning a tire and you don't have Kong, what else could we stick in the middle? Something
I guess
handy at home.
Anything.
A wine bottle?
I don't think a wine bottle would work because it doesn't have a face. Yeah.
True. You need more dimension.
Yeah, I think that's good. We're good. Lovely. Yeah, it would have to be something that has a front, right? Yeah. That's the beauty about Kong, is he's not symmetrical. So, and this new software, you're right. It was so much. I don't want to say better because the other one was fine, but I like it. That scan was much better. Okay.
So edit.
Yeah. So now this. Yeah.
Let's try it on. Go to editing first, or complete.
Complete first.
There we go.
Now we can go to edit.
Point distance.
This is for the fusing.
So
it's recommending 0.65. So yeah, we don't need to change anything.
I'll just let it, auto. So really a stuffed animal. If you don't have a Kong, stick a stuffed animal in there.
I watched one scan online. A guy was doing a rock. And the rock wasn't symmetrical, of course. It was all different shapes and sizes. And then he stopped in the middle of the scan, flipped it over, and to do the bottom of the rock. Because the bottom of the rock's not going to be the same as any other side scan did. And the software just tracks it, knows exactly where it's supposed to go. And honestly, the things people do with their scanners, things I didn't even think of. One guy in the live stream asked if he could put it on a drone and scan like statues. And we're like,
sure.
Can't wait to see you try.
Oh man, that'd be hard. Well, drones are actually pretty steady though.
This is not heavy at all.
And drones, like, as long as you're, like, they just have a setting, they just will stay in one spot. Lower it down a little bit. So
you can literally just go straight up.
Oh, that would be cool. But the issue is being out with the sunlight though, right?
Yeah.
They say, like, right now we're in this studio setting.
I guess if it was a dark green statue, not the Statue of Liberty, but, I don't know.
But the sun interferes with.
I can't wait to see somebody try it.
Oh,
somebody will figure it out.
We gotta try that. Do a skyscraper. Go all the way around it. That'd be awesome.
Just scan your office window. Okay.
Fusing. So we just did. Go to fusing. Apply.
Okay, so this one is, let's see, we've got
Point distance.
Point distance says 1.27. Oh, that's 0.65. No, that's the fusing still again. Go down. Yeah, that one. Overlap. Oh, overlap detection. Cool.
Detect.
I guess I did. I went around twice, and all of this stuff up top will have been overlapped, right?
Yeah. So why isn't it doing anything? Detect. Should be able to apply. What's going on?
Do you?
Unless we gotta apply this first.
Okay. Nothing is working. Oh.
Maybe I wasn't clicking on the right area. I wasn't clicking on the right area.
It's a new computer.
It's a new computer.
Oh yeah, see, tons of overlap because I scanned up here and went down here, but I would still have lots up here. Cool.
Apply it.
Yeah.
So we could even detect again, maybe because you were saying you had a lot. Do a double overlap.
Oh, that's neat. There's tons.
He's looking dark. Smoothing. Oh, I've noticed this too. Like, see, like right here, you can just move it. What was going on? I was trying to scroll this earlier, but like if I'm going in right here, it'll automatically scroll that way. It's kind of interesting, right? So you just gotta make sure when you're scrolling on the side.
And then if you want to go back to, yeah, just hit the refresh and that goes back to their recommendations.
Smoothing radius. Apply.
Lovely.
Simplify. Sure.
The software is way more than the old one.
Wow. Took like a second. Isolation. Radius, angle, isolation rate. Detect.
Oh, so this is parts that shouldn't be there.
So it doesn't look like we have any noise though going on, right?
And you don't have to do it. You can hit cancel, right? Because that's all in our...
And I like this too. Click on that and it goes back to...
Oh, cool.
But cancel, you're saying?
Yeah. Because it's not like it's stuff outside of the tire, right? And then you can go up to the top again and go align. Is that where the... Oh, no, first, sorry, if you want to cut Kong out, you can use the...
Oh man, are you ready to do that?
No, but you could. I'm just saying...
Should we try it? I mean,
I'm saying this is where it would be, because that was one of your questions at the very beginning was, how do we get Kong out of there? Well, you can do it right here. In the new software, you can just cut it
I
out.
think you should try it, Kevin. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
Very much so. I've literally never touched this computer before. But I'm just saying that that's where this is. This rectangle tool, you can cut them out. The freeform tool, you could draw them out. If you dragged them upside right, and you could just cut out everything in the middle of the tire.
Let me first rotate a little bit. Project's just to go, that clicks out of it, right? All right, I just want to rotate them. Oh no, that's not what I want
Oh,
to do.
you need to Alt plus.
Maybe it's time for me to jump in now. Hey Kevin, did you figure out one thing is the new software even got better tracking mechanism. Before we have to expose this Kong a big chunk of part of his body out in the camera to keep tracking.
Yeah.
Once we move downward and it will lose track all of a sudden.
Yeah.
But right now, if you only have not only like even a piece of the head, you can still keep track.
Honestly, I just thought I was getting better at scanning, but thanks. It's the software.
It's the software, yes. All right. So how to rotate is easy. Just
there we
click
go.
and hold. And
see, that's
like this.
See, now
way.
he's right in the center. You could just draw a
This
line.
is
And
why we
maybe-
need Ash.
Right, maybe not rectangular because it's round
You're
in
gonna miss
the
some.
middle. So let's use polygon and draw a circle.
Oh, Ash, what would we do without you?
Honestly, though, if you did this in the live stream, you would have a revolt on your hands. People would be like, "Don't you dare cut out Kong! You cut the
Yep.
tire out."
And look, I select and Kong completely. Boom!
Trash.
And
He's going to a better place, you guys. Don't worry about it.
He's still here.
He's
Right,
still.
right. And maybe, yeah, let's try the isolation a little bit. Because this still looks like a bit like isolation. No, it does not.
Meshing, mesh quality, keep it good. Fill holes, you got that clicked already. Ratio, supply 30%.
So if you just wanted to fill small, tiny holes, you could drop that ratio, right?
Yeah.
Because look at what that has
Whoa.
done. That's filled the bottom of the tire. Can you flip that upside down and let us take a look at it?
And it's even easier to redo right now. Like let me show
Oh
you.
yeah, because you had the ratio set at 30%. So
Yeah.
30.
And now if
filled
you
in.
like you made a mistake here.
That was a big mistake.
You just simply you don't even have to click a redo or regret. You just,
Oh, really?
Yeah, you just do like let's grab it to like 5.
And it'll undo the. Oh, it'll undo.
Yeah, it'll correct everything, I think. Hopefully.
There it is. Look at
There we
that.
go.
Got our
Look at
tire
that.
back.
And I'm not gonna touching the alignment because I still need to study it. Wait, did you get the white numbers out? No? Maybe let's try the texture.
Yeah, it should be able to pick that up. We gotta have proper music for when this is processing, you know?
Yeah.
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 Elevator music or something.
The Jeopardy theme song.
Or the
But sadly, I have to pick from the music I made or anything cheaper.
Yeah.
Oh, 'cause we gotta pay for it, yeah.
No, let's do a Beatles song. Let's see how much that'll cost.
Speed.
Seems not significant changes though, but I would say you still have a very good tire. Look at the threads.
Nice job, Kevin.
Honestly,
Look at that, man. Awesome, awesome.
I do miss the
I
Kong
didn't
Wall.
worry too much. I wasn't trying to get up here. I mean, I guess I should have in retrospect, but
Still way better. Look, you almost got the entire bottom.
yeah.
Yeah.